This is the closest you're going to get to having a professional tuning lever for only $100 on Amazon. The kit includes a lever, one add-on extension, an interchangeable handle, 2 extra long rubber mutes, 2 smaller rubber mutes, and the piano tuning kit case. The pros of this lever is that it's lightweight, rigid, ergonomic, also relatively inexpensive, extendable, has different types of handles, and there's less energy loss when you're tuning with a rigid hammer. Lastly, it has a replaceable tip like you can expect on all professional hammers. The cons about this lever is that it's heavier than state-of-the-art tuning levers. It's also more expensive than other levers on Amazon and might feel awkward to tune with because the design, the ergonomic design, could use further refinement for feel. You can see that it incorporates modern day technology by the carbon fiber tubing that this has. This is a completely modernized design for something this inexpensive. Here, you can tell that the knob is ergonomic. Though it's not optimal as far as ergonomics goes for tuning levers, this is the closest you're gonna get to a professional tuning lever as far as comfortability is concerned. Now, what I like about this tuning lever is you can unscrew it, rescrew it, and turn it into an even larger piano tuning lever. Now, I don't think that this length is optimal, but it gives you that option to have for a tuning lever that isn't all that pricey. The piano tuning kit does not have extensive accessories, but as long as a beginner piano technician has put some other piano tools in their bag, this would be the perfect piano hammer upgrade. For me, this type of a piano tuning kit would belong in my car, just as an extra piano tuning lever that I'll always have on hand in case I happen to forget my regular professional piano tuning tools. This comes with a couple different mute sizes, and you can just mix and match however you'd like these mutes to work. Personally, I would cut this about halfway and then make this a shorter wire so that you have a bit more control over muting off the strings of the piano. Now, if you don't like the feel of the handle, you can always interchange it for this one here. So you have 2 options, the more ergonomic feel or the one that just feels like a regular tuning lever. This tuning lever kit can be easily stored underneath the knee board of your upright piano or in the bench of your piano. That way you can store it for later use. Recently, I purchased another one of these hammers while I was visiting home because I didn't bring home my piano tuning tools. So I just got it from Amazon the next day so that I was able to tune my piano at home away from work. All in all, I would rank this tuning hammer as the highest among the piano tuning levers available on Amazon. I highly recommend this piano tuning lever as the least expensive, semi-professional piano tuning lever that you can find on Amazon.